and welcome back to Craft Time. Today we will be making amazing Play-Doh animals. Wow! Do you like Play-Doh? I love Play-Doh. So stay tuned to see which animals we made and what colors we used. Let's go!
Let's go!
Deciding which Play-Doh animals to make is so difficult. There are so many animals to choose from. But today, we will be making 4 different Play-Doh animals. We will be making an elephant with a long trunk, a small fish, a giraffe with a long neck, and a little turtle. You will need only 2 things to make these cool animals. First, some Play-Doh, many different colors for the animals you will be making. Second, we will need some googly eyes or beads to make eyes for our animals. This is exciting! Let's begin. Step 1. Roll balls from your dough. Step 2. Flatten and shape the dough for the shapes of the animals' bodies. To make our fins, we will use our fingers to flatten the round purple balls. The next animal will be a giraffe. For our giraffe, we will once again flatten the Play-Doh, pull it apart and try to soften it up a bit. Next, we will begin to roll the Play-Doh. The yellow Play-Doh, we will use it for the giraffe. The orange Play-Doh we will roll into small balls. These small round balls will be placed onto the giraffe because a giraffe has spots. The yellow Play-Doh we will roll into a cylinder-like shape, long for the neck and shorter shapes for the legs, and maybe a big fat round body for our beautiful giraffe. Finally, when we have our giraffe shape and all our little spots and dots are on our beautiful animal, we will add his eye. You can use a googly eye or one of the beads. And just for a bit of color, we are going to use some red clay to make a mouth. Did you know that Play-Doh is a popular craft item used by many children all around the world? Next, we will be making a turtle from our Play-Doh. We will be using blue and green. Use your main color, our green, to roll a large ball for the shell of the turtle. Then use some blue, roll it a little bit smaller to make 4 small feet and of course a neck and a head. Once again, for some color, we will add a red mouth made of the Play-Doh and 2 little eyes. We will be using beads for our eyes. Our final Play-Doh animal is an elephant. Make sure that you flatten the body of your animal after rolling the ball. And for our elephant, we will make a long trunk, 4 legs and a small tail. To add some color, we will use red for the inside of our elephant's ears. And finally, add 2 small white tusks and a beautiful beady eye.
Wow! That was fun and easy to make. Was that fun? These are super cute Play-Doh animals. Which one is your favorite?
Elephant.
The elephant? There you go. Mine is the fish. Please tell us which animal is your favorite, and remember to like this channel and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Goodbye.